One of the first things I thought about when I decided to take on this opportunity was the crew. Who am I going to bring with me to Saudi Arabia to make sure that they help me to the fullest deliver the same quality food that I deliver here in Beverly Hills? So of course I went to my kitchen staff here who have been with me for 15 years. But for whatever reason, none of them could come. And so I found myself handpicking from all of my businesses, even in my mom's business I had to go to find somebody. And magic happened. These group of characters, and they really are characters, made this journey an unforgettable one. And I'm so excited for you to meet them now.
I was at home late one night and I get a text message, do you want to come to Riyadh? And to be completely frank, I don't even know where Riyadh was. So I had to Google that first. And then when I realized where Riyadh was, I was like, oh shit, let's do it.
Oh look, Giuseppe's imitating me, how I went to the bathroom last night.
No.
That's exactly what I did. It's awful. I think it's called a turkey shitter.
A turkey shitter?
Yeah, from Turkey they did that.
A Turkish?
Huh?
Turkish.
A Turkish bath.
It's awful.
My thought was, okay, they're gonna train me so I get familiarized with the dishes. Did I know that I had to cook? I never cooked in my life.
You're telling us this now.
We have so much fun. We're laughing. Giuseppe's funny, and other guys, Enrique, Eduardo. We're just laughing all the time.
Yeah, I'm glad I came. I'm glad I'm here with him because he's really great person, and I'm very proud to be part of this company, Edo's company. I really, so I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be here. I think it's a good experience.
Well, I never thought I would be here, but life happens that way sometimes, and you get a phone call in the middle of the afternoon.
I guess they came a couple of days before me. Something went wrong, I don't know, lots of problems. So Eduardo asked right away, call me and say, please, somebody can come and help us out. It was a little bit, it was 4 in the afternoon. I was taking a shower to go to work, and they say, you have to leave tonight.
And I said, what? It took me about 3 seconds to process that, and I said yes.
Didn't know what expecting. I got a visa, emailed it to me, and I found myself after 18-hour flights in Riyadh.
It's made our work a lot easier. But also, look how they're helping.
Thank you.
Think you found it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, good.
I've dubbed myself the Dragon Lady, and I'm embracing it. I think everybody's scared of me.
Rochelle is an organizer, a hardworking individual who's able to.
I was kidding. You don't have to.
No, but it's true. But it's true. I always say that. I don't know about nice,
Or
friendly, but I can tell you, like Rochelle, she opens that computer and magic happens. I always thank her for coming into my life because she's able to organize it better and to make things like this actually become a reality, which, I mean, I could also, I think, but so much less organized, and it would have been very, very stressful to the point where I don't even know if I could have handled it by myself. But she facilitates every step of the way, and it makes it very pleasant and enjoyable, not just stressful. Even though I have to say she's been under some stress with this situation too. It's been difficult for you too.